Good morning, Pottinger's class.
Good morning.
8.5 ratios. Do you understand what a ratio is?
Yes.
Do you know what they actually do and show you?
Yes.
Good, let's talk about it and make sure that's true. Ratio. It is a relationship between two numbers. Repeat that, please. A ratio is? So it is two numbers that have something in common, yes?
Yes.
All right. We already know what equivalent means. Ratios can be written three different ways. So we wrote the three different ways that you can use a ratio using variables instead of numbers. Is that cool?
Yes.
You can write a ratio as a what?
Fraction.
You can also write a ratio using a...
Colon.
So here's the first number and here's the second number, right?
Yes.
You can also write a ratio using the word...
Two.
Is it important to simplify ratios?
Yes.
Actually, should you always simplify ratios?
Yes.
Here's an example of ways to write ratios. This is a pizza, yes?
Yes.
This shows that the shaded in piece, right here, this one, is one piece of pizza eaten, yes?
Yes.
How many total pieces are there?
4.
Say again?
4.
So this is showing a 1-to-4 ratio, yes?
Yes.
One piece eaten out of 4 total pieces. I need eyes up here. But this actually shows a whole different ratio, yeah?
Yes.
But for the same pizza,
Yes.
it shows one piece that is... And then it shows 3. What is the 3? How do I know what the ratio is talking about?
Labels.
Is it important that you have labels for ratios?
Yes.
Very important. Is it important that your ratio follows the order that is being asked?
Yes.
So for example, it says, what is the ratio of circles to rectangles? Should you write it as circles first and rectangles second?
Yes.
Can you write ratios literally as a decimal?
Yes.
What does the word and mean in math?
Addition to.
In addition to. So it means like add things together, combine them, right? We good?